In our lives, we all face the cold winds of rejection, which can make us feel down and weak. However, what if I told you that rejection actually holds a hidden gift, a chance to grow and learn more about ourselves? Today, we will explore 10 powerful lessons from Stoic philosophy that teach us to embrace rejection not with blame, but with courage and insight. These lessons offer a way to navigate the rough seas of rejection with grace, temperance, and strength. These lessons are not just about how to deal with rejection, they are also about how to embrace it, learn from it, and ultimately use it to make yourself stronger and more resilient. Stoicism, with its deep insights into human nature and the way the universe works, gives us the tools to not only weather the storms of rejection, but also sail through them with confidence, guided by reason, virtue, and purpose. Let's learn the Stoic art of turning bad luck into good luck, using rejection not as a sign to run away, but as a call to move forward, learn more, and improve our actions. This is the promise of Stoicism and the core of the lessons we will explore today. Join me, and let's turn the lead of rejection into the gold of wisdom and strength. 1. Get them out of your mind. The first lesson is to practice the Stoic method of managing your thoughts. Marcus Aurelius once said that you control your thoughts, not the things that happen around you. When rejected, it's easy to get caught up in negative thoughts and emotions, letting other people's actions control our inner state. However, Stoicism teaches us to separate our well-being from external validations and focus on the fortress within. Picture rejection as a cloud passing through the sky of your mind. Notice it, acknowledge it, but don't attach to it. This is the Stoic way. Detachment from negative influences helps maintain inner peace. To practice this, watch your thoughts without judging them. When a thought of rejection arises, acknowledge it and then gently redirect your attention to actions or virtues you wish to cultivate. This practice builds resilience, wisdom, and a deep sense of freedom, reinforcing the idea that while you can't control others' actions, you can control your mind. 2. Focus on action. Stoic philosophy encourages us to focus on action rather than dwelling on negative experiences. Epictetus said, "Don't explain your philosophy, embody it." When facing rejection, channel your energy into positive, constructive actions that align with your core values. This active participation in life empowers you, transforming potential stagnation into growth and self-realization. By focusing on actions, you demonstrate that your worth is not based on others' opinions but on your own deeds and choices. 3. Be kind, but keep your emotions in check. Epictetus advised, "Hold your attention on what truly matters to you and remember that other people's opinions are their business, not yours." Rejection often triggers feelings of hurt and anger, but Stoicism encourages kindness balanced with emotional distance. Like a steady lighthouse amidst a storm, offer kindness and guidance without getting entangled in chaos. This approach fosters a strong character, rooted in inner peace, and shows that you can navigate rejection with grace and understanding. 4. Do not respond emotionally. Epictetus taught that our response to events matters more than the events themselves. When rejected, instead of reacting emotionally, pause, take a deep breath, and step back from your immediate emotional response. This moment of pause allows you to choose a response aligned with your higher self, demonstrating strength and a commitment to Stoic virtues. By responding with calm and reason, you transform rejection into an opportunity for personal growth and deeper self-understanding. 5. Build your social status. Marcus Aurelius emphasized that our actions and character define us more than words. Building social status is about earning respect through honesty, resilience, and virtuous actions, not seeking external approval. Use rejection as motivation to contribute more to your community or profession. By demonstrating virtues like integrity, courage, and compassion, your social standing will naturally improve, allowing you to make a positive impact and embody Stoic principles. 6. Get more grateful. Epictetus noted that our distress comes not from events themselves, but from our thoughts about them. Rejection can become a source of gratitude if we choose to see it as an opportunity for growth. Marcus Aurelius compared living to wrestling rather than dancing, implying that life's challenges, including rejection, strengthen us. Practicing gratitude helps reframe rejection, transforming it from a painful experience into a valuable lesson that enhances our appreciation of life's journey. 7. Demonstrate your value. Epictetus advised, "If you want to be a writer, write." Similarly, demonstrating your value through actions rather than words is a core Stoic principle. Rejection should not lead to self-doubt or anger. Instead, continue improving your skills, act with integrity, and contribute positively to your community. By living in accordance with your values, you show your worth through consistent, virtuous behavior, reinforcing that your value is not dependent on external validation. 8. Have a good time. Even amidst rejection, Stoicism encourages finding joy and companionship. Seneca taught that true happiness involves enjoying the present without anxiety about the future. Engaging in activities that bring happiness isn't escapism, but a reaffirmation of life's value. Embracing joy in the face of rejection underscores the resilience of the human spirit and aligns with Stoic beliefs in balance and harmony. 9. Don't reveal your struggle. Marcus Aurelius emphasized controlling your thoughts rather than external events. This Stoic approach isn't about hiding struggles, but about maintaining inner strength and not letting external opinions define your worth. By handling rejection privately, you demonstrate resilience and control, showing that while rejection impacts your life, it doesn't define it. This perspective turns setbacks into opportunities for growth and self-improvement. 10. Reframe and let go. Finally, Stoicism teaches the importance of reframing negative thoughts and letting go of what we can't control. Cognitive restructuring helps neutralize negative thoughts, making them less powerful. Focus on what you're thankful for to shift your perspective. Regularly clearing your mind of distractions and worries aligns with Stoic practices, helping you live a fuller, more focused life. This approach enhances mental clarity and resilience, fitting seamlessly with Stoic ideals. Conclusion: by integrating these Stoic lessons, we can transform rejection into a powerful tool for personal growth and resilience. Embrace rejection as a chance to strengthen your character, demonstrate your value, and find joy amidst adversity. The Stoic path offers timeless wisdom for navigating life's challenges with grace, strength, and purpose.